Listen, I'm about to share something with you that completely changed how I think about weight loss. And it's not what you'd expect. See, for years I was doing everything right. Or so I thought. I was counting calories, hitting the gym 5 days a week, and drinking those green smoothies everyone raves about on Instagram. But my weight, it barely budged. And the frustrating part was watching other people eat what seemed like more food than me and still drop pounds like it was nothing. Then I discovered something.
Something so simple it almost felt stupid.
The secret wasn't about eating less. It was about eating smart. Specifically, it was about what I ate in the first hour after waking up. Your breakfast is either your greatest weapon or your worst enemy when it comes to losing weight. There's no middle ground here. And most people, without even knowing it, are sabotaging their entire day before 9 a.m. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. When you wake up, your metabolism is like a fire that's been smoldering all night. What you feed it in those first crucial minutes determines whether that fire roars to life and burns fat all day long, or whether it barely flickers and leaves you dragging until lunch. Recent studies from 2024 show something fascinating. People who eat high-protein breakfasts burn up to 260 more calories throughout the day compared to those who eat carb-heavy breakfasts. That's not a small difference. That's the equivalent of a 30-minute jog without even lacing up your sneakers. But it gets better. When you start your day with the right combination of nutrients, something magical happens to your hunger hormones. Ghrelin, the hormone that makes you want to raid the pantry at 3 p.m., gets suppressed. Leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're satisfied, kicks into high gear. You're literally reprogramming your body's hunger signals just by changing what's on your plate at breakfast.
Think about it like this.
Your body is like a luxury car. You wouldn't put regular gas in a Ferrari, would you? Yet most people are fueling their bodies with the nutritional equivalent of dirty water and expecting peak performance. Now, let me break down what actually makes a breakfast supercharged. There are 3 components, and you need all 3 working together. Miss even one, and you're leaving results on the table. First, you need high-quality protein. I'm talking about 25 to 35 grams minimum. Eggs are phenomenal. Greek yogurt works.
A quality protein shake gets the job done.
This protein does 2 things simultaneously. It fires up your metabolism because protein requires more energy to digest than carbs or fat. And it keeps you full for hours, which means you're not thinking about food every 90 minutes. Second, you need healthy fats. I know. For decades we were told fat makes you fat. That's been debunked harder than the flat earth theory. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, even a little butter or olive oil, they slow down digestion in a good way. They help stabilize your blood sugar so you don't get that mid-morning crash that sends you running to the vending machine. Third, you need smart carbohydrates. Notice I said smart, not zero. Your brain runs on glucose. You need some carbs. But there's a massive difference between a bowl of steel-cut oats with berries and a chocolate croissant from the coffee shop. One provides steady energy and fiber. The other spikes your insulin, crashes your energy, and leaves you hungrier than before you ate.
The ideal ratio?
Aim for 40% protein, 30% healthy fats, and 30% smart carbs. This combination turns your body into a fat-burning machine that runs efficiently all day long. But here's where most people go wrong. They think they're eating healthy when they're actually consuming breakfast foods that are sabotaging everything. Let me give you some examples.
Those granola parfaits from the coffee chain?
They look healthy with the berries and yogurt, but they're packing 60 grams of sugar. That's more sugar than a candy bar. Your body doesn't care that it came from granola and honey instead of chocolate. Sugar is sugar, and it's stopping your weight loss dead in its tracks. Or what about fresh squeezed orange juice? Sounds nutritious, right? Wrong. When you juice a fruit, you remove all the fiber and concentrate all the sugar. You're basically drinking liquid candy. 3 oranges that would fill you up and provide fiber become a glass of sugar water that spikes your insulin and makes you hungry 30 minutes later. And here's a controversial one. Skipping breakfast entirely. Now, I know intermittent fasting is trendy right now, and it works for some people. But for most people trying to lose weight, skipping breakfast backfires. You end up so hungry by lunch that you overeat and make poor choices. Plus, you miss that crucial opportunity to jumpstart your metabolism early in the day. So what should you actually eat? Let me give you 5 real-world examples that are quick, delicious, and proven to work. Number 1. A 3-egg scramble with spinach, mushrooms, and a quarter avocado. Add a slice of whole grain toast if you need more energy. This takes 5 minutes to make and hits all 3 components perfectly. The eggs give you protein, the avocado provides healthy fats, and the vegetables add nutrients and fiber without spiking blood sugar. Number 2. Overnight oats made with Greek yogurt instead of milk. Here's the formula. Half a cup of oats, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a handful of berries, and a drizzle of natural almond butter.
Mix it the night before, and breakfast is ready when you wake up.
This one is a powerhouse that keeps you satisfied until lunch. Number 3. A protein smoothie, but not the kind most people make. Start with unsweetened almond milk, add a scoop of quality protein powder, throw in half a banana, a big handful of spinach, a tablespoon of almond butter, and some ice. Blend it up and you've got a complete meal in a glass that tastes like a milkshake but fuels you like premium gasoline. Number 4. Upgraded avocado toast. This isn't just smashed avocado on bread. Use sprouted grain bread, top it with mashed avocado, add 2 poached eggs, sprinkle with hemp seeds, and add a side of cherry tomatoes. Now you've transformed a trendy brunch item into a legitimate weight loss breakfast. Number 5. Make ahead egg muffins. These are game changers for busy mornings. Whisk together eggs, diced vegetables, a little cheese, and cooked turkey sausage.
Pour into muffin tins and bake.
You can make a dozen on Sunday and grab 2 every morning all week. Microwave for 30 seconds and you're done. The key with all of these is preparation. Success loves preparation. The people who lose weight and keep it off aren't winging it every morning. They're planning ahead and making it impossible to fail.
It is my challenge for you.
Try this supercharged breakfast approach for just 30 days. Not a year. Not 6 months. Just 30 days. Track how you feel, track your energy levels, track the scale. I'm willing to bet you'll see changes that surprise you. And speaking of making this easier, I've put together a complete guide that breaks down everything you need. Meal plans, shopping lists, more recipes, and the exact strategies I use to drop 30 pounds and keep it off. You can grab that by clicking the link in the description below. It takes all the guesswork out of this and gives you a proven system to follow. Because here's the truth. Losing weight in 2025 doesn't require some complicated diet plan or expensive supplements. It requires understanding how your body actually works and giving it what it needs when it needs it most. And that starts with breakfast. Your morning meal sets the tone for everything that follows. Get it right, and weight loss becomes easier than you ever thought possible. Get it wrong, and you'll keep spinning your wheels wondering why nothing works.
The choice is yours.
But now you know exactly what to do.